Hello everyone, welcome to Apti Plus Academy for Civil Services, and I welcome you all to a new learning series via News in Focus. And today's topic of discussion is ICMR iDrone initiative, something directly relevant for your prelims examination. Even if you're preparing for any other government examination, this type of news is going to help you. So without any further ado, let's get started. So why we're discussing this news? Because recently ICMR, that is Indian Council for Medical Research, has successfully conducted the trial run for the delivery of blood bags under its iDrone initiative. What is iDrone? What is the full form of iDrone? It stands for ICMR Drone Response and Outreach for the Northeastern region. This initiative was actually started by ICMR during the COVID-19 pandemic for the distributions of vaccines to the hard-rich area. We know that the pandemic has impacted not only India but across the globe, and ensuring the part of delivery of the vaccine was something very important. So in light of that only, ICMR has come up with a concept that we can deliver the vaccine using the drone. So the initiative was in continuations with the national mission of expanding drone ecosystem in our country. So this is what the vision was, and it was actually the part of it. Now I'll show you some of the images that was officially released by ICMR. So these are the two images that is released by the ICMR. This even I've taken this from ANI. So these were the actual images, and this is the image that actually carried the blood from one place to another location. Now, what is iDrone initiative? So iDrone initiative is a collaborative efforts between ICMR, Ministry of Civil Aviation, and Director General of Civil Aviation, right? So the name of the organization and the involvement of the agencies become important for exam. As a part of the Digital Sky platform, this is under the Ministry of Civil Aviation, the framework for regulating and enabling the drone operation was conducted, right? And the project iDrone, as I've told you, it stands for ICMR, Drone Response and Outreach for Northeastern. So this will be a part of the where assessment and feasibility using the drone to deliver the vaccine and medical supply was actually checked upon, and successful delivery of the blood bank, the blood sample was also there. Now, significance of iDrone initiative, how this is going to help India and specifically the part of the medical fraternity. So iDrone initiative aims to have a drone which will transport the bloods, other medical supplies to the remote and inaccessible area in the country. So the remotest area will also have the facility that they'll be getting some delicate part of the medical equipment necessarily required. The initiative is also aims to reduce the wastage of blood, even enhance its quality and ensure the timely delivery of a proper storage. So these are some of the part that is there in the significance. And the drone can also be used to deliver the essential medicine supplies such as vaccines, which is already there, which have successfully conducted in the northeastern states, medicine, organ, and diagnostic samples. So these are some of the things and the advantages that we'll have through iDrone initiatives. Now, some global practices that is already there. If you see the part of the countries, most of the countries using drone to deliver the part of the blood products, vaccines, pharmaceuticals, medical supplies, and even organ to the remote area, rural area, which is having a poor infrastructure. Poor infrastructure can be constrained because of the road connectivity and many other areas due to weather conditions. So these can promote the part of the poor infrastructure and connectivity to a specific remote area, right? So in US, where the whole blood or blood product is often spared in the rural area, and even US is looking for the feasibility that they will come up with the full-fledged rules and regulation when it comes to the part of the drone delivery. And even in Ghana, the drone delivery part is there, where the blood booth is there for the laboratory samples, and emergency blood and the blood product delivery is now available for thousands of health facilities serving millions of people. So these are some of the important global practices that is taking place, And in a longer run, definitely with the initiative of ICMR iDrone initiative, India will excel in this field and further enhance its capabilities to a larger extent. So this was all about for this topic. If you like this content, do not forget to subscribe Apti Plus Academy for Civil Services on YouTube. Do give us a thumbs up for the video analysis and the content that we deliver. If you have any other concern, you can even reach out to us. For time being, I'm signing off. Thank you so much for watching this video.